In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert images in Google Sheets. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Open a Google Sheet. Now click on the Insert button from the Tool tab. In the menu, click on the Image button. There, select Insert Image in the Cells option to insert an image inside the selected cell. Then select an image from your device, or from the internet. And your image will be added. You can increase or decrease the size of the cell to adjust the size of the image. There you have it. Inserting an image in Google Sheets is that easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.